4th and 5th grade math DMR for the week of November 6, 2023. The days of the week buttons will take you directly to your module. Just make sure that within the module you click the next button to the right to make sure that you've completed your daily to-do list. So starting with Monday, that's where you'll find your first math DMR. So I'm going to go to this math DMR like on a sheet of paper. So get ready to write along with me on either a whiteboard or your math notebook. First things first, to fold your notebook paper vertically, number 1 through 5. Put your name and day at the top and be ready. Name at the top. Today's date is November 6, 2023. Number 1 through 5. Start with number 1, decimal place value. If you need some help on a reminder of how to write the decimal and fraction that it's shaded, there is a help video linked here that will take you to a math video with decimals in the hundreds and thousands, but I'll leave that for you to watch if you'd like to. Write the decimal and fraction that it's shaded. So I see a 100 square, pretty similar to the 100 square that I have here. And it looks as though half are shaded. So if this is 100 square and half are shaded, let's write this as a fraction and as a decimal. I could write it many ways for a fraction. One way would be 50 out of 100, because in this picture 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are shaded out of 100 total. Another way that I could think of this is as if each row was 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, but I counted each row as 10, of 10 as 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 10. 50 hundredths, 5 tenths are both the exact same fraction as 1/2. Does it seem like 1/2 is shaded to you? So those are all equivalent fractions that go along with 50 hundredths, 5 tenths, and 1/2. So how do we write this as a decimal? As 50 hundredths of 50 in the hundredths place, as 5 tenths of 5 in the tenths place, as 1/2 as a decimal, that's also 5 tenths. Let's multiply. 4-digit by 1-digit multiplication. Okay, next we're multiplying a 4-digit by a 1-digit number. 6,318 times 9. This 9 here tells me that I need to know my multiples of 9 to be able to multiply. I'm going to go ahead and skip count those out. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Stop there, we might need to go a little bit more. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 1 equals 9 plus 7 more. 9 plus 7 is 16. 6 goes here. The 1 goes on top of 3. 9 times 3. We count by 9 3 times. 18, 27. 9 times 3 is 27. Add this 1, which gives you 28. Sorry about the background noise. My kids are home and they're normally that loud. So anyway, 9 times 6 equals 654 plus 2, 56,862. Question 3. Exploring unit fractions. Yet another video linked here that will take you to the sum of a fraction. But I'm going to show you right now. A unit fraction is any fraction that has 1 as the numerator and a addition of fractions, including unit fractions, is that equivalent to 7/5. So, is the fraction 7/5 equivalent or equal to 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5? When adding fractions, if your denominators are the same, just add the numerators. So let's add 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I add all those up, I get 7/5. Do I agree or disagree that those are equivalent? I agree. My thoughts, the numerator added, sorry, I'm using like half cursive, half print. The numerators added up to 7. Okay. Measurement of perimeter of polygons. Polygon is a figure with many sides. Today, a rectangle. 82 plus 82 plus 45 plus 45 will give you the perimeter of this rectangle. I'll give you some time to work, to add, and we'll see if we get the same thing. Okay, I'm adding 82 twice and 45 twice because the formula for perimeter is add up all the side lengths. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 8 plus 8 is 16, 5 plus 5 is 10, 4 plus 4 is 8, add 1 more, that's 9. Now I need to add these two numbers, so I'm going to add the 90 over here. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 6 is 15. 254 centimeters for the perimeter. The data analysis question. Favorite pizza toppings. How many people like pepperoni, meatballs, and ham? Pepperoni shows. Let me get a better look here. Pepperoni was 37. I'm on the wrong one. Hold. How many people like pepperoni, meatballs, and ham? Pepperoni is 37. Meatballs is 14. Ham 23. 10 plus 4 more. 14, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 74 people liked pepperoni, meatballs, and ham. Feel free to create a math problem of your own over here. If you liked practicing multiplication or showing fractions, feel free to create your own. When you take your picture to submit, make sure I can see your name and the date, and at least most of the page if possible. The file will be uploaded when you finish.